Hello, this is Bob from Ziqi Compressor Shanghai company. We are professional air compressor system manufacturer and also professional compressed air solution supplier. Today, there is one such oil-free air compressor and a nitrogen generator on the testing before leaving factory. This is for a food industry. This is a nitrogen generator. It's very easily operation and maintenance. Higher purity. It's very easily operation because of multi functions, and the tank also with Shanghai Zhenjiang brand is also a famous pressure vessel manufacturer in China. The compressor is a oil-free water lubrication school air compressor, Ziqi brand, with a higher quality standard. 100% oil-free Class 0 standard to supply the clean air to the customers. This is the electric motor, Brazilian WEG brand. It's the second biggest motor manufacturer in the world. Class IE4 ultra efficient IP5 fire protection, Class B temperatures, Class 5 insulation, suitable for any harsh environment. This is a key part. School air wind, the single stage school air wind, water lubricated with a stainless material, durable and higher efficiency, and such as the inside pipe and the water air vessel is also with a stainless material. Okay, the air compressor is also equipped with intelligent frequency in water. The intelligent frequency in water makes the air compressor working with variable speed driving for energy saving. Okay, the electric is also with the Schneider brand, and the compressor equipped with intelligent touch screen. It shows warning status and also easily operation and maintenance. Okay, if you have any question about the oil-free air compressor and the nitrogen generator, the whole system, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye today.